Okay. Yo, Sbuda Tanayam. Shout out to boy. Shout out to Amachitam, Extinction AP, Orange Farm, Maanda, Hamilton. All a boy. Nyabonga bafethu. Thank you. Shout out to our bafethu, HNF, yes, Sasesonke. Skis, G Method. Thank you, Zinjazama. Sbonga. To the producers, Nick Beats from all the way from the Free State. Thompson Beats, Glenn, they got us, man. Yes, we the supreme movement. Put that on capital letters. Yeah. We the supreme movement. And shout out to the most nigga who really helped us out. Yo, man, easy. Shout out, bro. Thank you, man. That's the sound engineer who did the mixing and mastering and all that. And shout out to the people that I've featured. Yeah, shout out to Meshmate, Pruitt Entertainment, represent my guy, represent. Shout out to Google, Juliana. Yeah, man. Shout out, I love you, baby girl. I love you, man. And shout out to my mom, man. Yeah, shout out for her teaching me how to pray and all that. Yeah, and for praying me for bad days and good days. You know, mom, I love you. I'm gonna get you a Mercedes. Yeah, she know that. And thanks to God, man. Thanks God, man. Thank you, God. Let me take off the mask when I talk to God. Thank you. Thank you for everything. Yeah, thank you for the knowledge that you gave us and understanding of the word and writing. Shout out to the bag, no excuse.